Okay, part 3, we are going for part 3 of this lesson article because of a technical problem. Okay, part 3 now. I already told you in the second part, before chronicles or newspapers, we are using the. Next, before 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 after newspaper, before epics, great epics, we are using the Ramayana, the article the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran, the Bible, we have to use. Next, before A, B, C, I think this is D or so, something like that. D or so, D. Next, before religion, we are using the Hindus, the Christians, the Buddhists, before Vedas, Veda, how many Vedas are there? 4. The Rig Veda, the Yajurveda, the Sama Veda, the Atharva Veda, the Sama Veda, the Atharva Veda. Rig Veda you have to tell. The Atharva Veda, Atharvana you should not tell in English. Atharva Veda. Next, before mountains, the Himalayas, the Ketu, the Gauri Shankar, the Kanchenjunga, Shankar, Kanchenjunga. Okay. Before mountains, before epics, before religion, before Vedas, before mountains, and also before universal truths, universal substances, the earth, the planet, the moon, the Venus, the Mercury, all these things. Okay. Before universal truth. Next, before epics, before religion, before Vedas, before mountain, before universal substances. That's very important. Next, one minute. Any more examples I have to search? Before sea, before newspaper, before oceans, before religion, before epics, before universal substances, before mountains. Omissions of articles now. Where we have to answer omissions. Omissions of articles. Now, omission, ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವುದು. What is the meaning of omission? ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವುದು. Vomit, ವಾಂತಿ. Omission, ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವುದು. Before proper nouns. The Rama, the Krishna, the Govinda, you should not tell. Rama, Krishna, Govinda, you have to tell. That's all. Understand, all of you? Okay, Rama, Krishna, Govinda. Your name, you should not use the A or an before your name. Before proper nouns, you should not use. Omission, you should not use. Next, before country's name. Country's name. The India, the France, you should not tell. France, India, America, Russia, you have to tell. Understand, all of you. But only 3 countries have been provisioned for this. They are Hague. Hague, it is in Netherlands. You have to use the for Hague. Always the Hague. Because International Court of Justice, World Court is there. Therefore, you have to use the before that one. The Crimea, according to René Martin, this place also, the Crimea near Russia. For this also you have to use the Crimea. The Ukraine, you have to tell. There is an exception for these 3 countries to use the. You have to use the for these countries. Elders say, or this is according to René Martin grammar. This is universal. Everywhere is there. Therefore, you have to omit all these things. The article the for proper noun, and also before countries, before continents. Continents, there are 6 to 7 continents are there. 6 continents or 7 continents. Asia, Europe, Australia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica. All these countries, all these continents. You should not use the Asian continent. The Asian continent you may use, because there is continent common noun is there. For that you can use the Asia, you should not use. The Europe, you should not use, like that. As well. He is an Indian man. He is the Indian. You have to say. India, you should not say the India. Understand, all of you? The India, you should not say. He is the Indian man. You can say. That's all. Because in front of that there is a common noun. Indian man. At that time you may use the. But only India, you should not use the before that. Thank you very much. And this article is over. Next, tomorrow we are going to take up verb. Verb is very important. And also the second part of the verb is verb tense. That is very important. That is perhaps 20th lesson. 19th lesson is verb and kinds of verb. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, dear children.